Good evening, Rutgers. Weather Watcher Evan LaGuardia here with your Monday, September 14th, 2015 evening forecast. Well, if you've been outside today, pretty nice temperatures as those fall-like temperatures coming into our area, finally leaving that 90 degree weather. And we're welcome as we get closer and closer to fall. But today in New Brunswick, we actually hit a high of 77 and then a low of 54. And we're really close to those averages of 78 and then a low of 56. So we're right where we want to be. A record nowhere near our record of 94. We were actually a little higher than that last week. So definitely see a definitely change of temperatures this past week. Record low in 1911 was 38 degrees, quite chilly. And then sunrise was at 6:37 this morning, and then sunset was at 7:08 this evening. So for our headlines this week, not really much to talk about as the weather system moved out off our coast over the weekend, leaving us some great weather. High pressure system definitely taking over our area. So all in all, great week ahead with clear and comfortable conditions. Temperatures right where we want them to be, with temps reaching up to the high 80s by midweek into the weekend. I'll talk about that in my 7-day forecast. For tonight's lows, expect 47 in Sussex as our low point, Newark 59, New Brunswick 54. And as you go down more south of our state, it will be in the low to mid 50s, right where we want to be for this time of year. As I pan out to the greater Northeast, 53 down there in Baltimore, 59 in Philly, 61 in New York City, and up there in Boston is 59. So definitely fall-like conditions as we get closer and closer to September 21st, the first day of fall. Overnight conditions, expect 54 degrees as your low temperature. Winds coming from the west-northwest at 2 miles an hour with clear and chilly conditions. So if you're out and about tonight, and if you're going to a late night class, make sure you bring a jacket because it will be chilly and we're not quite used to these low temperatures. Then as you wake up tomorrow morning, expect 59 as your high west-northwest winds at 2 miles an hour with sunny conditions, not a cloud in the sky. So please go out and enjoy the weather. As I step out for your 7-day forecast, it's going to be sun, and even more sun as high pressure takes over our area. Tuesday, 83, Wednesday, 87, Thursday, 84, all sunny. And then we may see some clouds, upper atmosphere clouds on Friday, but then on Saturday for your weekend, 87, and then our next chance of precipitation might be over Sunday with a chance of storms, 30% chance as of now. But as the week progresses, we'll see about that. Not much to be concerned about as of now. And then as we start the week for next week, partly sunny skies and a high of 78. And then for your lows there, we have a 54 temperature for tonight, Wednesday, 58, and then as you go up through the rest of the week in the lows in the mid to upper 60s. So not bad for this time of year, so please enjoy it. In case you missed us, you can always check us out at RU TV, channel 23, every 15 minutes. At our Facebook page at RU Weather Watcher. Twitter at hashtag RU Weather. And our webpage at weatherwatcher.rutgers.edu. I'm Evan LaGuardia saying have a fantastic evening, Rutgers.